So how many 8-ounce servings of fruit punch can be made from 4 liters of fruit punch? So basically in this question is asking you to convert from 8 ounces, or how many 8-ounce servings there are in 4 liters. So I guess I'll start with 4 liters. And I want to convert it into servings. Now, this is converting between the metric SI system and American units. So the computations are a little bit more messy, but that's what calculators are for. Anyway, we want to get to ounces. And what I know is that 1 liter is approximately 33.8 fluid ounces. So I'd multiply by 1 liter is 33.8 fluid ounces. And then what I know is that the servings are 8 ounces. So what you can do for that is say that 8 ounces is 1 serving. So ounces cross off, liters cross off, and what we're left with is 4 times 33.8 divided by 8. So get the calculator. 4 times 33.8 divided by 8, we get 16.9. So about 16.9 servings. So not quite 17 servings, and this 16.9 is an approximation, not exact. So what is the better buy? 5 pounds of cheese for $12.99 or 3 kilograms of the same kind of cheese for $16.99? So for this, we need to figure out our unit price, but we also need to be in terms of the same units. So let's just find the unit price for the first one. Let's just convert them both to pounds. But the first one is, let's start with 5 pounds for $12.99. So $12.99 divided by 5 pounds. And that would be $12.99 divided by 5 pounds is $2.598 per pound. Okay. That's the first one. Now, what we need to do is we need to convert the second one to be the same units. So what I know is that I have $16.99 for 3 kilograms. And what I know is that you take your pick. Generally, it's best to put the nastier numbers on top. So I'm going to go with this one here, because I need kilograms on top. So I'm going to put the messier 0.454 kilograms on top and the 1 pound on the bottom. And again, I'm doing that because, well, there's also the 1 kilogram is 2.2 pounds. You could also use that. It's better to, you get more accurate, slightly better answers if you put the messier numbers on top. So what I have is 16. Let's try that again. I have $16.99. Divided by 3, and then times by the 0.454. Clear that. By the 0.454. And so we get about 2.57. 2.571 about. So about $2.571 per pound. So in terms of the better buy, that would be the cheaper one. It looks like the 3 kilograms is the better buy. All right, one last one. Let's convert 60 kilometers per hour into feet per second. So there's going to be a bunch of computations going, a bunch of conversions here. But I start with start off 60 kilometers per hour. And you can read the word per as a fraction bar, so this is really 60 kilometers per hour. And I want to convert to feet per second, so let's start with the hour part. What I know is that 1 hour is 60 minutes, so I'll go 1 hour on top and 60 minutes on the bottom. So that crosses out the hours. And what I know is that, so you want to get to seconds, so 1 minute is 60 seconds. Okay. So now this is in terms of kilometers per second. But I want to, instead of kilometers, I want to get to feet. And so what I know is, you can do this a couple ways. Let's just convert the meters first and then convert to feet. What I know is that 1 meter, or 1 kilometer, is 1,000 meters. So I have kilometers on top, so I'll put the 1 kilometer on the bottom and 1,000 meters on top. And so now my units are meters per second. But I want to get the feet per second. So what I'll do is, I know that 1 meter is 3.28 feet. Right there are my units at the bottom. So 1 meter is 3.28 feet. And now my units are in terms of feet on top and seconds on the bottom. So at this point, all I need to do is, well, just my computations. So also notice I have 60 on top, 60 on the bottom. You can cross those out. So we're basically doing 1,000 times 3.28. So that's 3,280 divided by 60. So 3,280 divided by 60 is about 54.7. So actually, maybe so. See, I can write that as 328 over 6, but this is about 54.7 kilometers per second. Or not kilometers, boy, feet per second. So, a little messy at the end, but basically 328 divided by 6, that's 54.7 feet per second.